case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Maine Supreme Judicial Court heard the case of Cope versus Inhabitants of Brunswick, which centered on the constitutionality of zoning ordinances without specific guidelines for decision-making. Mitchell and David Cope, the plaintiffs, sought to build multi-unit apartment buildings in Brunswick, but were denied by the local zoning board. The Copes argued that the zoning ordinance was unconstitutional, giving the board too much power without clear guidelines. They appealed to the Superior Court, which upheld the board's decision. Still unsatisfied, they appealed again, and the case was heard by the Maine Supreme Judicial Court. The court reviewed the ordinance and determined that it was partially unconstitutional due to its lack of specific guidelines. The board had denied the Copes' request based on concerns about public safety and the character of the neighborhood, but their decision relied on unconstitutional provisions of the ordinance. As a result, the court ordered that a permit be issued to the Copes, since they were in compliance with all valid requirements of the ordinance. The case was then remanded to a higher court to make a decision in favor of the plaintiffs, so they could finally obtain the permit to construct their apartment buildings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.